after last year's playoffs. Leafs win the draw. William Nylander's got it. Auston Matthews to Marner. Tavares. Mikheyev in the slot. Matthews scores! The 60-goal man's got his first of the postseason.
And a timeout well spent. I mean, that's just perfect execution. You have 5 forwards on the ice, 2 down low. You're trying to go down below to force the goaltender down to his knees, and then you go up top. And you can see Vasilevskiy never got up. That's the style. A little kickback, get lost with some momentum going forward, and the one-timer powers its way through Vasilevskiy. That pass behind Chris forces him down on his knees, side to side, and he didn't recover, and the 60-goal man gets his first.